Hello everyone, today we are going to study Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with chapter number 4, that is Nouns and Gender. We are talking about nouns and we are talking about genders in nouns. What is basically gender? Gender refers to what? The masculine gender or the feminine gender. Fine. Monica is an intelligent girl. Now, who is Monica? She is a girl. Anaya is my sister. Anaya is my sister. She is a good girl. Vishal is a tall boy. He is taller than his father. Now, if you notice something, for a feminine gender, we are using the word girl. We are using word sister. And for a masculine gender, we have used the word boy and a father. So the words girl, mother, sister refer to what? They refer to females and they are of the feminine gender. Hence we call them as what? We call them as feminine gender. But the words like boys, father, brother, uncle, they all are what? They all refer to males. So they are of the masculine gender. So what is a masculine gender? A masculine gender is what? It refers to male and the feminine gender refers to female. Now let's read further what is given in the chapter. So we were talking about masculine gender and feminine gender. Now this rule states we add SS or ESS to some masculine gender to make their feminine gender. Now this rule means कि हम masculine gender के कई टर्म्स के साथ क्या ऐड कर दें, अगर हम SS या ESS ऐड करते हैं तो वो चेंज हो जाते हैं फेमिनिन जेंडर में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग द वर्ड प्रिंस. अब अगर इस प्रिंस वर्ड में मैं ESS ऐड कर देती हूँ तो ये बन जाता है प्रिंसेस एंड द प्रिंसेस इज व्हाट? इट्स द फीमेल जेंडर. सो वी कैन कॉल इट द फेमिनिन ऑल्सो. प्रिंस चेंजेस इनटू प्रिंसेस, होस्ट चेंजेस इनटू होस्टेस, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, actor, actress, waiter, waitress, emperor, empress, master changes into mistress. Then the next table, it says the rule is some masculine gender have different nouns for their feminine gender. कुछ masculine gender के पास क्या है? उनके feminine gender बिल्कुल अलग है. For example, boy changes into girl, सर का फेमिनिन होता है मैडम, अंकल हैज आंट, ही गोट चेंजेस इनटू शी गोट, बुल काउ, फादर मदर, ब्रदर सिस्टर, सन डॉटर, मॉन्क नन, बक डो, पीकॉक पीहन, हस्बैंड वाइफ, मिल्कमैन मिल्कमेड, किंग क्वीन, लॉर्ड लेडी. So this was all about this page. Let's now quickly move to the next page. Now look at these sentences which are given on the next page. The book is on the table. The chair is in the room. Now the words book, table, chair and room, they all are what? They all are non-living things. They are not living things. They are non-living things. They do not have life. What are non-living things? Non-living things are things which do not have life. A noun that refers to a non-living thing is called a neutral gender. हमने male के बारे में बात की. We talked about the female gender and now we are talking about the third kind of gender which is called as neuter gender. Neuter gender are what? They are referring to those nouns which do not have life. That means they are non-living things. Now look at these sentences. My cousin lives in London. The teacher is in the classroom. The students are going to the school. Now the words cousin, teacher and students, what are they? Are they female or are they male? Which kind of gender is this? The words cousin, teacher and students, they refer to both males and females. These are terms which are used for both the kind of genders. So a noun that refers to both a male or a female is called as common gender. So this is the fourth gender that you are studying कि एक ऐसा नाउन जो रेफर करता हो दोनों ही काइंड ऑफ जेंडर्स को, दैट इज मेल्स और फीमेल्स, तो हम उस काइंड ऑफ जेंडर को व्हाट डू वी कॉल एज? वी कॉल इट एज द कॉमन gender. So in this chapter till now what we have read? We have read about 4 kinds of gender. The male gender is called as the masculine gender. Then the female gender is called as the feminine gender. Then those nouns which are non-living or they do not have life, they are called as neuter gender. And those which are referring to both male or female, they are known as what? They are known as common gender. So this was all about the types of gender. Now first we'll do the exercises quickly. Now in the exercise, the first question, that is the A question, underline the genders in the following sentences, write their kinds. One has been done for you as an example. So in this question they are asking you that you have to first underline the gender and then you have to tell what is the kind, what is this kind, whether it's a masculine gender, whether it's a feminine gender, it's a neuter gender or a common gender. The example is, the girl is playing on the piano. So a girl is what? Is it a masculine gender or a female gender? It's a feminine gender. Here they have given wrong. You will write F-E-M-I-N-I-N-E, feminine gender. And what is piano? Piano doesn't have life, so we call it as a neuter gender. Now quickly do the exercises. The first is, the lion is in the den. Okay, now we are talking about lion. So what is lion? Lion is the, should I mention what is lion? Lion is the masculine gender, M-A-S-C-U-L-I-N-E. It's the masculine gender. Fine. Now the next is, my mother is reading a book. My mother is reading a book. So the word mother. Mother is feminine. And the word book. Don't forget, book is also a noun. So it is what? It is a neuter gender because it is neither living. It is actually non-living thing. The lioness killed a deer. Now lioness. The word lioness is what? Lioness is feminine gender. Okay, deer is actually feminine. My father works in an office. Now in this, the male gender is what? Father. We will write as masculine. Father is what? It's masculine gender. So we have done the question A of page number 21. Let's now move to the next page. The fifth statement on the next page is, the teacher asks the students to listen carefully. So here there are 2 nouns, that is teacher and students. And teacher and students, they both refer to, it can be both male and female. So you will call it as common gender. Teacher and students as common gender. Now the sixth, the peacock killed the snake. Okay, now what is peacock? Peacock is the male. So we will write here peacock masculine. And what about the snake? Snake is actually common gender. Next, the seventh. The monk is in the church. So the word monk is what? It's again a masculine gender. Then the eighth one is the tiger is chasing a buffalo. Okay. So what is tiger? Tiger is masculine. Buffalo is common. Next, the ninth one. The fox, now this is is. The fox is eating grapes. Fox is what? Again it's a masculine. Grapes are non-living. We will call it as neuter gender. Then the 10th one, his uncle works on a farm. So what about uncle? Uncle is again a masculine gender. Then now the 11th statement. It says the king ruled the kingdom wisely, and what is the word king? It's a masculine gender. Next, the 12th statement. The 12th statement is the queen wore a beautiful crown. Now queen and crown. Queen is what? What is queen? Queen is actually the feminine gender. F-E-M-I-N-I-N-E. Feminine gender. And what's the word crown? The word crown is neuter because it is not living. It's a non-living thing. Then the 13th statement is the child is playing in the park. The child is playing in the park. Now this is actually child is a common gender. Child can be used for both male and female. Now let's move to the next question. The 14th one is the book is on the table. तो 14th में book क्या हुई और table ये दोनों हमारे noun हैं. And what is the gender for this? So for both book and table, the gender is what? It's a neuter gender because they both are what? They are non-living. Now the last, that is the 15th one. The baby is sleeping. Now again the term baby is here noun, but we are using the word baby for what? For male and female, both the children. So baby is common gender. So with this we have completed the question number A. Now let's begin with question number B. Rewrite the following sentences changing the gender. So now we have to change the gender and then we have to rewrite the sentences. In color, one has been done for you as an example. Now one example they have also mentioned. Well, then what is the example now? Read it. My brother always comes first in the class. So the word brother was the noun. So we have changed the gender and it has been changed into my sister. My sister always comes first in the class. Now let's move to the next page and then solve the rest of the questions of this B question. The first one given over here is my uncle gave a gift to the bride. So what we will change? It will get changed into my aunt gave a gift to the, what is the opposite gender of bride? We will call as groom. Or you can also write as bridegroom. Then the next one, The man went to the office with his sister. Now what will be the sentence? The sentence will change into the woman went to office with her brother. Then the next one, that is the third one. The cow is in the shed. The bull is in the what? Shed. S-H-E-D, shed. The milkman brings milk, and this sentence will change into the milkmaid brings milk. The next one, the goose is in the pond. And what will be the other gender? The gander is in the pond. Fine. The duck is swimming. What will be the opposite gender or the other gender? We will write here the D-R-A-K-E. The drake is swimming. Then the seventh one is the prince is waiting for the queen. Now remember, they have just asked you to change the term in colored. Okay, so we are not going to change queen here. हम सिर्फ यहाँ prince को change करेंगे. तो ये बन जाएगा the princess. The princess is waiting for the queen. Then the eighth one is the tigress was chasing the deer. Now again, यहाँ पे deer को हमें change नहीं करना है. We just have to change the word or the noun given in the colored portion. So we will change it into the tiger. So this is it with all the questions of this chapter. We have now completed the chapter. I hope you have understood it. If not, then go through the chapter again. Take care till the next video. Till then, keep watching. Good care and goodbye. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.